Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about a growing problem when people and wild animals share the same land. This is the story of how we can live together again in peace with nature.
Long ago, we lived together in peace. The forest gave us food and shade.
Yes, friend. We took only what we needed.
We must clear more land for crops.
And we must walk further to survive.
Go back, my friend! These are all we have!
The forest gives no food now. We come with empty bellies.
Stay away, we mean no harm.
We fear your fire, just as you fear us.
I walk where my forest once was.
Another goat gone. What can we do? We set traps, but never thought of this pain.
I only wish to live.
I used to be clear. Now I carry your waste.
We must stop throwing plastic in the river.
These wires protect us, but hurt us too. We were never enemies, only lost neighbors.
Together, we can share this land again. At last, a path of peace.
Once, people and animals lived together in peace. But as forests disappeared and rivers were hurt, animals lost their homes. They came closer to us, not to fight, but to survive. Now we must learn to share this planet again. If we protect nature, nature will protect us. Together, we can bring back the balance of life.
Every creature, big or small, has a place on this planet. When we protect nature, we protect ourselves. So let's promise to live with care and keep our earth alive.